What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here with a little product reveal. If you have, especially a Harley Davidson or any cruiser that has exposed frame rails underneath, and you're seeking a much easier way to jack the bike up, that can be difficult. If you try to use a car jack or a conventional hydraulic jack, sometimes not so easy, or it can be dangerous. Let me show you an item that we just got that makes it ridiculously easy. So I will demonstrate it real quick. All right, behold the low profile jack. It's a screw jack, It's pretty heavy. It's not a little cheapy thing. You could use a regular wrench, but honestly, put you a 21 millimeter socket on your drill or your impact. And yeah, it works so easy. Just make sure you get it, around the center of your frame there, or wherever the balance point is on your bike. Then stand her up. Make sure the jack is pretty well centered there. I like to hold the front brake when I do it, just so the bike can't roll anywhere. And then just like that, back wheels off the ground. Do your little chain lube, easy for cleaning your rims, especially if you got spoke wheels or mag wheels, or saddlebags that are covering up part of your wheels and you're trying to keep them clean. You know how that is if you got one of those kind of bikes. How about that, huh? Easy as you please. Spin that wheel, lube the chain. It's good for all kinds of stuff. And, it's up off the ground in no time. I like it. I'll put a link down below where you can find one of these. I know a lot of professional mechanics who work on Harleys and, big bikes have these, in their shops. And I thought I would try one out for myself. It is fantastic. Just make sure your kickstand is still down over there. Or don't forget to put it down when you're about to lower the bike, because it makes it easier as soon as you lower the bike down. You'll need to be ready and slide the stand out and then lean it over on its side, on its kickstand. Like so. Make sure your feet are out of the way. Hold on to the handlebar. I like to rest my knee on it just to make sure the bike stays steady, because, these things are kind of heavy and bulky. That's it. Fantastic, man. Fantastic. All kinds of uses. This could be for ATVs. You can probably use it for ATV as well. Any bike that's got, frame rails that are even and, sit right on here. Really freaking good. Even though the instructions say, do not use an impact driver. Man, come on now. You're not going to hurt it. And I think it makes it safer, actually, to use this instead of a hand ratchet or a hand wrench. Come on now. Use your impact. Awesome. Totally awesome. Check out our previous videos on this bike. We've got, you know, a lot of videos. We just did one on the braking system of this thing, which it'll apply to any motorcycle really, and still fantastic, good firm brakes, you know. But yeah, this bike, we've got lots of videos on it. So have a look through our channel, and all kinds of other things in our channel, you know, working on dirt bikes, motocross bikes, Harleys, of course, classic cars, Chevy trucks, Ford Tauruses, Ford Mustangs, all kinds of cool stuff. Even how to work on stuff out, you know, out in the yard, in the house, things. You know, we just try to help you out if we think there's something that we can convey the info to you, and it'll help you. We try to put it up there. And my name's Biker Dave. We're in Marietta, Georgia, East Cobb. And make sure you Google our store, Horsepower House. We're on the eBay, of course, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Amazon. All kinds of utility parts and tools for motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, watercraft, power sport vehicles. So make sure you check out our store. We got all kinds of cool stuff there that you might need, or you know, you may know someone who will need the stuff. So check it out. And that's it for today. Y'all have a good day. We shall see y'all later.